you know, you don't have to spend lots of money to start practicing. I always tell students, don't run out there and waste your money buying expensive tools and materials, because until you know how those tools and materials work, you're probably going to stand a better chance of damaging them.
True.
And then when you do learn how they work, you've ruined them so that you have to then spend more money. The best place to start off is with a pencil. So the two aspects, you can start off with a soft pencil, like a 6H pencil. And by gently applying pressure to the pencil, it reacts like a pointed flexible nib. Or you can strap two pencils together and you make a double pencil. You just use a rubber band. You do that. Do it at the back as well, otherwise they move. And it helps to train you how to work with a broad edge nib.